Today we're going to be applying our Tricho Series Sensitive range shampoo and conditioner. And this range is particularly good for anyone that has extremely sensitive skin, for example allergies to certain ingredients, because this one in particular is free of a lot of those irritants. So to start with, we are going to use the cleanser. So we get roughly about a 20-cent piece of the cleanser. We're going to apply this to wet hair. Now this formula is sulfate and paraben free, so it has a very mild cleansing agent to it. So if you find that you do need it to foam up a little bit more, you can actually just add some water, okay, and you will get extra foamability out of that. So we just make sure we give the scalp a really good cleanse. And another little fun fact is that you could, if you find that you've got sensitive skin, you could also use this cleanser as a body cleanser, which is great because we've got skin all over our body as we do on our scalp. And so another bonus of the sensitive range is that it's infused with chamomile and plenty of other plant-based anti-inflammatory agents. So therefore it's purely just going to be a comforting shampoo and conditioner. And then we're going to use our sensitive conditioner. So you probably want to use about a 50-cent piece, and applying this directly to the scalp and working down the hair. So this particular range has those lovely anti-inflammatory ingredients in it. So yes, we would put the conditioner right down onto the skin to help soothe an inflamed or itchy scalp. So you would then comb that through and let it sit there for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. And what it's doing is detangling in that time and also helping soothe and moisturize that irritated skin. And once the 5 minutes is up, we just rinse thoroughly and then we can style as desired.